let me go further. Okay, a lot of things are demanding to be spoken now. Which one should I start with? Okay, let me go with like this. There's somebody, this person wanted to get married, and the person, like, how do I say these things? Anyway, let's say the person contacted me, all those kind of things. The person now here now, like, he used me to teach. We didn't call names, all right? So, and I advised the person now, like, hey, guy, go and do a checkup, like, go lab, like, check this lady's health, check your health. They did health check on the lady. The lady was above 30, right? So the guy came and said, sir, thank you. Could you imagine? The lady have fibroid. They said that one thing, that's why she has not been pregnant. I said, what do you mean that's why she has not been pregnant? He said, I've been smashing and I'm hoping that she'll get pregnant before I marry her. I want to be sure. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? I said, no, it's not like that. Then I said, no, sir. She has to be pregnant, so let me be sure if I'll marry her. Nah, see now. And I said, okay. How fast, where's your own? He said, I did not do. I said, what do you mean you did not do? You can't do your own too now. Crazy. This guy did his own and came back. His situation was worse than the guest's own. Meanwhile, the guest's own has remedy, his own has remedy. But what I'm saying is that his own situation, in fact, from the calculation, the doctor said it's because of him that they are not getting pregnant. Are you understanding? So when we say go and do your biological test, you are thinking somebody is coming here to play with you. Yeah, you can go and marry anyhow now. And when you get to the marriage, and now discover that the guy has something in his stomach. One time, they operated him and they cut flesh from here and put here. And when you're having sex with him, you're always thinking about that place. That place is nyama nyama. I don't mean this to downgrade people. I'm showing you. Can you handle that? A girl have issues with her ear. That's why she's not wearing earrings all the time. But you really did not know. And she kind of covered it. She's wearing one thing that looks like ears. You are not aware. Or her armpit, there's one big growth there. Or he, male or female. There's one big thing there. And she's always wearing big thing or he's always wearing big thing, but you like it on him, it's always fitting him. Have you not seen people that deceive people? They lie before they enter the marriage. Even age. They lie by age. Age, they lie. Telling you simple thing. That's why I started by saying, have you ever shown anybody your nakedness? It's a simple question. Again, like I said, people have gone to massage. And they're not going to the massage because they want massage. It is the sex drive that they satisfy during the massage. They massage them and they release, they orgasm during massage. And they pay well. Why? Most of these people I'm talking about, they are in they are millennial people, millennial. So they cannot keep up with the Gen Z generation. They cannot really get men, or there's no man, or divorce, or something or the other. You understand? So they have to satisfy their drive one way or the other. Then you now come and stand in front of me and tell me that. Meanwhile, if we ask you now, you have done all the styles, like all the sex styles. You have done them. Even last week here, probably you smashed last week. The annoying part is probably, if you check some of your records, both me and female I'm talking to. So if I call female, I don't think I'm attacking female. Everybody scatter everywhere. It's everybody I'm talking to. Some of you guys, you have smashed one guy in your car. Random girl that you met somewhere, you really know, you inside the car, you smashed her. I didn't say kissed her, you smashed her. And after that, you did not say again. It's not what we call one night stand. Back of the pool. Inside here. Are you joking? I remember January 2021. I will not give too much details. Let me stop there. There was this, this hangouts thing and whatever. I'm like, let me be exposed. Let me see what people are really doing. How does this thing really work? Say pool party.